In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the save location for your exported projects in CapCut. Whether you're editing for social media, client work, or personal projects, knowing exactly where your video files are saved can save you time and help keep your projects organized. Exporting a video to the right location ensures you don't have to search through various folders later. So let's dive into the step-by-step process to set your save location in CapCut and make sure your workflow stays efficient. Now, before we get started, if you're new to CapCut and don't already have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. First, make sure your project in CapCut is fully edited and completely ready for export. Take a moment to review your timeline carefully, checking for any last-minute edits or adjustments that might have been missed. This step is important because it ensures your final cut is complete, and you won't have to go through the hassle of re-exporting the video later if something was overlooked. Once you're confident that everything looks good, click the Export button. You'll find this button in the top right corner of the CapCut interface. Clicking it will open the Export dialog box, which is where you'll configure the settings for rendering your video. This is the starting point for choosing your save location and finalizing the export. In the Export dialog box, you'll see a section labeled Export To. This area displays the current default save location for your exported files. It's important to know where your video is being saved, especially if you want to keep your files organized or if you're working with limited storage on your device. To change the save location, look for the small folder icon located next to the file path. Alternatively, you can click directly on the path itself. Now keep in mind, the folder icon might be a bit small and easy to miss, so take a careful look if you don't see it right away. After clicking the folder icon or file path, a file browser window will pop up. Here you can navigate through your computer's directories to select your desired save location. You have the flexibility to pick any folder that works best for your organization. It could be a folder on your desktop, an external drive, or any other specific location you prefer. Choosing the right folder can make it much easier to access your video later on. Once you find the folder you want to use, click into it to confirm your selection. This step makes sure that CapCut knows exactly where to save your video, avoiding any potential confusion or misplaced files. Next, take a moment to review the file name displayed in the export box. If needed, you can edit the name to something more descriptive or easier to identify. Clear and accurate file names are especially helpful when you're managing multiple projects or sharing files with others. Now that your save location and file name are all set, it's time to begin the export process. Click the Export button again to start rendering and saving your video. Depending on the size and resolution of your project, the rendering process may take some time, so be patient and let CapCut do its work. Once the export is complete, navigate to the folder you selected earlier to double-check that your video file is there. Verifying the file ensures that everything's saved correctly and that your video is ready to use, whether for uploading, sharing, or archiving. And that's how you change the save location for your exported videos in CapCut. By following these steps, you'll always know exactly where to find your files and avoid unnecessary frustration. If you have any questions or additional tips, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.